OB7 is not like other cobots. OB7 is a practical tool that your employees can actually use to boost their productivity. If you can set up a CNC machine, then you can easily use OB7 to run your jobs. Let me show you how it works. With OB7, there is no programming. Instead, you teach OB7 by physically showing it what to do, and to do this, you'll use the control handle. So grab the handle and push any of the 4 buttons to move the arm. Then to pick up and release parts, open and close the gripper using these buttons on top that look like you might see in an elevator door. Pick up the blank with the gripper. And now place the blank in the vise. OB7 controls the air vise, which is included in the CNC package. So once you've moved the arm out of the machine, then show OB7 how to push the start button. By now, OB7 has learned your job. To run it, press the Run button on the tablet. So imagine OB7 in your shop, tirelessly loading and unloading CNC machines, working 24/7, nights, weekends, all without breaks. Your skilled machinists are now free to do higher value tasks like job setup, fixture design, and parts QC. Jobs are consistently and reliably completed on time. It's all now possible without the constant interruption and burnout of loading parts. With OB7, you'll be able to deliver parts in less time, giving you increased flexibility in scheduling. And by adding OB7, you'll double your output for your existing operator and for less than half the cost of adding a second shift. It's perfect, and this is how you get from this to this. Imagine OB7 running in your shop 24/7 lights out, with higher consistent quality, happier employees, and all while saving you a ton of money.